to drop. Tell the wind not to blow, 'cause you said so. Tell the sun not to shine, not to get up this time. No.
Hi, I'm Anne Marie Zufeld. Today I'd like to talk to you about one of the most important investments that you can make for your home. I'm talking about your heating system. You see, here in New England, there are 300 potential heating days a year. That's 82% of the year that you and your family rely on the comfort, the warmth, and the protection of a reliable heating source. So today, we're going to take you through the steps that we use in a typical New England home to upgrade from an existing, inefficient builder-grade boiler to a new, super efficient Royal Flush hydronic system. So sit back, enjoy the show, and come and see the Royal Flush difference.